10 schools that will be competing, 123 elementary projects, and we are so excited of all of their hard work. This year in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, all the students participated in a research project and they learned about the science and engineering practices. Gaston County is really focused on our students engaging in their learning with the science and engineering practices and how important science is in everyday life. Students have to make a claim, engage in an argument from evidence, and that's a part of everyday life. So it's important that students see that and are able to do that and see the real world phenomenon and spark their curiosity. Students are making what's important to them. So there's projects where they baked at home and they changed those variables, or they tested makeup because they love makeup or fingernail polish. So they're relating the categories to what they're interested in, which is what a scientist does. The projects have been amazing this year. We have more engineering projects than we've ever had. There's a lot of math projects, so they're really starting to see how science and math go together.
This is my homemade volcano. I use different materials to do my experiment, to make my volcano and to do the eruption. The materials that I needed to do my eruption was a dish soap, was baking soda, vinegar, food coloring. Inside of this, there's a bottle, which is the chimney, the base, the pebbles, the moss, the crater. I really like volcanoes, and they can be dangerous, but they are cool because they can not just destroy, they can make new islands. From real volcanoes, I learned that they can also make obsidian, which is probably more strong than the iron. I really like science. I want to be a scientist or something like that when I grow up.